Hey guys, how we doing? Welcome back to Lee Slot Cars for well, a little bonus video, I guess, just before the Christmas break. Been very busy in the old slot shed. Where the new extension was by the window, I always said that was a temporary fix, and temporary it was because well, I got myself some timber and I have built a new solid platform and some shelving underneath. So let's not waste time chatting. Let's crack on with it. Look, the extension has gone. God, the shed looks massive now. But this is a part of my tidying up of the slot shed. Now, I was going to buy some wood, but I haven't really got the funds to do it at the minute. But on the local Facebook group, some bloke was getting rid of a whole load of plywood. Now, I'm not sure the lengths of the thickness, I can't really see from the photos, but I'm going to pick it up this afternoon. So what I'm going to build is a shelf unit coming down here. That's about this sort of width. Where are we? Yeah, well, basically coming from the track down here. Shelf unit there. And then I'll just zoom out a bit. It's just going to come in a little bit and go all the way along. So this unit is going to go right the way across here, shelving underneath it all, and then a base at the top. And then really I can choose how far I come with this extended piece, because I'm having second thoughts about how big I do it. But we shall see. I've got to pick it up shortly, pick the wood up shortly. And it's a dry day, so I'm really hoping that I can get it and at least get the wood cut to size. Because then everything else I can do in the shed, it's a bit tight for space to actually cut it in here. So I really need to do it outside if possible. So fingers crossed, after the storm yesterday, which was nasty, the garden was carnage. Hopefully I can pick up the wood, get it cut, and then next week, wife's off work next week. That's a bit of a nightmare. She's going to want to be doing Christmassy stuff. Oh well, cross that bridge when we come to it. Hopefully I can make a start, because as it stands, I can't run any cars. It's a nightmare. We've got a dead end road. The road to nowhere. Is that Talking Heads? I think so. I'm talking bollocks, so I'm going to leave it now. Go and pick the wood up. So this is the timber I got. And I've got loads of it. Loads of, I think it's about 18 mil plywood. Big sheets, small bits. And what I've done so far is, you can't see it and I'll do it better when it's all cleared up, but I've got shelf unit there with the top on. I'm just in the process of doing a slightly narrower shelf unit. So this worktop's going to come all the way along here. This is coming out, I think, because it comes down a bit too low, but I might put it back. I might trim it and put it back. But this is all coming together very nicely. And it's going to be great when it's done. And I've thought of a really, really cool way to decorate it when it's done. So I'm really excited to get this finished. Really happy with this, I have to say. It's not the best carpentry in the world, but it comes out. We've got the track coming down to probably about there. It might come down another half straight, maybe. Yeah, maybe it will. But it's just temporarily put there. And then we've got this worktop that sort of gets a bit narrower, and this all needs sanding down to the end. We've got a section there where I can put some nails to hang stuff on. Shelf for paints. It's a little bit cramped, so I might have to think of something else. Maybe do an extension around here, but I'm going to put another bit of timber coming down here so that I've got somewhere I can hang all stuff, you know, like drill bits, standing knife, ruler, spirit levels, everything can hang up on this section here. So it's really good, and it's cost me nothing apart from a bit of blood, sweat and tears. So that's it for today. I've got a few hours to spend on it tomorrow, which is good. And then I'm going to get it cleaned up, sanded down, and start putting things back again so I can run some cars finally. So yeah, that'll do. On to tomorrow. This has been really hard work, but I'm really happy with how it's all working out. So we got the top, the shelves. This is nice and stable, and we've got more shelves in there. I've just piled junk in at the minute. It will get more organised, more shelves there, and a little top here that might be a handy little additional workspace. I don't know, I haven't really worked out what to do with it. But in terms of the track, that's going to come out to this joint here, so this is going to come back to about here, which means I guess there'll be another half straight coming onto that, which is about the length that my extension was. Might be fractionally shorter, but there or thereabouts. So I'm going to have decent sized track, loads of storage, and an additional bonus of having a sort of another narrow worktop, but we'll get a lot of use. I've also put up a bit here, put up a little shelves for the paints. This is going to have things. We love having things hanging on wood, don't we, in the shed? So I'm going to hang a load of stuff up along here, and it takes a lot of stuff away, although it doesn't look it at the minute. It will do at the workbench. So my next job is going to be more cosmetic. Whew. This is really tiring me out. But I've given it a coat of white undercoat as much as anything because it reflects a bit of light back in. I've popped another half straight in there. So this is all going to be painted black at some point, but I've had enough today. And then when I finally put that track together, I need to tighten up some of the rail connectors because a couple are a little bit loose, I noticed, so it's a good chance to do a bit of maintenance on that. But I really want to run some laps because it's been ages, so I'm going to give it a quick clean up and run some laps and leave it for now because I need to wait for all this to dry before I can hang everything where it's got to go. And I think I might decorate this in some way, but I need it to be dry first, so we'll come back to that. So yeah, a bit of a tidy up and run a few cars, but this has been great. This is like a game changer for the shed. I'm sure you'll agree. I'm now going to call this a finished project. I've got a solid top for this track, which is great. This isn't down yet, but this is all part of another project coming soon. Got shelves roughly organised, but I've still got a bit of sorting out to do. More shelves down there, and I've got a really useful additional workspace where we've got a few bits and pieces and various shelves of paints and glues and so on. So chuffed to bits with this. I love doing a bit of carpentry. I'm not great at it, but I really enjoy doing it. It's been hard work, but I'm now going to reap the benefits. So this has been a bit different, hasn't it? I hope you've enjoyed it. I certainly have. And if you have, well, click like and do all the usual stuff. But in the meantime, I want to say you all have an amazing Christmas, and we'll catch up with you on the other side. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.